Well. Good evening, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Balls coming to you with another great video. And as promised, we are looking at the bottom 10 of the top 100 cryptocurrencies in accordance with coinmarketcap.com. And today we're going to take a look at Icon. Currently sitting at $1.50. Icon has been on a rip, going up 27% in the last 7 days. We're going to dig into these because we want to know if these things may be worth looking into as far as investments. So if you don't know what Icon is, today's your lucky day. We're going to have a brief discussion and a price prediction for what Icon could potentially go up to. So right now, if we take a look at the graph at $1.51, this particular crypto has a market cap of $994,907,688. The reason this is a big deal is because, look, just to break into the top 100, you've got to have a market cap of almost $1 billion, and that is a big deal. And that's what we're doing, is we're trying to make sure that people realize that crypto ain't going nowhere. I remember the days when it would take $500,000 or $500,000 just to be in the top 100. Now you're looking at, you got to have $1 billion to be in the top 100, and that's in the bottom of it. So you can see this graph early with the first bull run around January of 2018. This crypto was as high as $12, okay? It was up there, folks. It was way up there. So when you look at that now and you see that we're sitting around $1.40, they're nowhere near the first bull run markers. So we want to dig into this thing and see what they are, and are they a viable thing that you might consider investing in. Now, this is not investment advice, but we're going to do our research and see what you guys think. After this, I'd love to see what you guys put in the comment section. So if we go over here to the iconpublic.org and look at their site, let's move this around a little bit. They've got a pretty nice site here. I'm going to make sure it fits so everybody can see this. Okay. And you can see here's Icon's site, and they call themselves a decentralized aggregator network with interoperability. Well, what do they mean by this? It says it's a blockchain protocol for decentralized applications as an aggregator chain. It achieves interoperability, a web of interconnected networks aggregating all blockchain data in one layer. Okay, that sounds great. Let's just watch the video and see if that gives us a better understanding.
Welcome to Icon, the network of networks. Blockchain began with the birth of Bitcoin, which was created for the primary purpose of facilitating digital payments. However, Bitcoin was created for payments and not for smart contract functionality, which led to the rise of Ethereum and other second-generation blockchain protocols. The issue with these protocols, however, was that these blockchain networks remained isolated and unable to communicate with each other. Icon is a third-generation blockchain protocol that aims to solve this issue via interoperability through its blockchain transmission protocol. Icon allows different blockchain networks to communicate with each other, all while providing the functionality of Bitcoin and Ethereum, such as value transfer and smart contracts functionality. However, Icon is more than just a third-generation blockchain protocol. Icon boasts lightning-fast network speeds and throughputs, several times that of other second-generation protocols. More importantly, the Icon network is also a digital republic with a comprehensive governance system, which allows you to have a vote in how the network operates. Icon's governance is enabled by its primary cryptocurrency, ICX, and its two primary actors, public representatives, also known as PREPs, and Iconists. Iconists are the citizens of the Icon Republic. Iconists must stake and delegate their ICX to the most productive PREPs, receiving one of the highest staking rewards in the blockchain industry in return. PREPs are validator nodes that secure the network and carry out activities that add value to the Icon network, and may include projects ranging from marketing to development. Main P-Reps that receive the most delegation from iconists are given the authority to reach consensus on icon network changes through voting, ensuring decentralization. The system is called Delegated Proof of Contribution, which instills an ethos in iconists to vote for P-Reps that bring the most talent and production to the icon republic and make decisions that align with their opinion. This is similar to how a representative democracy works in real-world politics. As a result, several projects and teams are actively pushing for Icon's global adoption, with several industry leaders and government entities utilizing Icon's protocol. Learn more about the network of networks, Icon.
All right, great video. So what am I seeing here? What I'm seeing is a network of networks, interoperability. They're allowing one blockchain to talk to another blockchain. Does that sound familiar? It should. It sounds a lot like maybe Chainlink, and we all know where Chainlink is. Let's go back over here and just take a quick look. Isn't Chainlink like in the top 20? I believe Chainlink is number 16 at $26.48. It's got an 11, look at that, folks. It's got an $11 billion, 824 million in market cap. So when you start talking about what Icon could actually be, what it could actually do, it is at a little bit less than 1/10 of what Chainlink actually is. So this is a big deal. When you start talking about interoperability and different blockchains being able to talk to one another, you're getting into a use case that really does need some attention. Okay, sitting at number 95 currently, and this changes daily, they're sitting at maybe 1/10 of what they could possibly be one day. I have stated again and again that everything in the top 10 or even 20 could potentially be $1 trillion market cap. It's like saying that an $11 billion market cap for Chainlink today could be a $110 billion market cap. And it's also like saying that one day the market cap for Icon could be $10 billion. Would that mean that we would have a $10 or almost a $15 Icon? I think it is plausible, folks. We could see an Icon one day that is 5 to 10 times, 5x, 10x on what its current price today. That's right, a $7 or a $15 Icon is just not out of the question. Look at where Chainlink is today. Okay, when they start talking about a network of networks, blockchains talking to each other, they are definitely talking about something that is undervalued and very much needed, even though they are the 95th ranked crypto in accordance with coin market cap. I want to also pay attention here to their build tab here. Let me bring this down so you can see this. Look right here. Look, they've got everything covered. The things that have plagued a lot of cryptos, things like governance, okay? They are covering the issues that have plagued a lot of different cryptos. Governance is covered. They've got all the information you need. Look at this. For developers, I really love this. Under the developer resources, they actually have example code. For beginners here, they've got a Icon D app right here for you to look at. They've got another one here, tutorial part 2 of a series of tutorials here. They got another one over here where they're creating I believe it's a game. Yeah, it's a dice roll game. Look, these folks are going the extra mile to try to give developers the tools they need to start building decentralized applications. Okay, look at this. Here's some more. A voting app. Here is a Web Connect. Learn how to connect Icon X. Chrome extension from your web app. Here's another one. Here's a blackjack game. So they're going out of their way to give sample code to developers to show them how to use this blockchain resource. That's how you get wide scale adoption. Now they keep touting governments are using it. I believe they're talking about South Korea, and they're also talking about Samsung, big name companies. So, I mean, they've got some buy-in, but more importantly, they are making moves to actually make this part of the infrastructure. Look at this. They are definitely filling in a space that has a definite need. And we can see the folks that are actually trying to deal in that space are being rewarded, the chain links of the world. So I'm going to go ahead and put a price prediction by 2025 that this is going to be a $7, $8 crypto. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one.